Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. We from Group 7. Today we will present about mini project 2. Next, I will introduce our team members. First, me, HAIKAL ROSDI, and second, syabil, and third, AZFAR.
First of all, introduction. In this mini project 2, we are required to prepare system design, implementation, and support. We need to complete sets of system interface flow for employee view, find suitable validation rules to reduce error. Secondly, we need to do some testing to ensure fingerprint access control works well. We also need to make the best plan for maintenance.
Okay, this is our interface flow for process fingerprint. First, we have text box. Text box provide a place for a user to enter data. Second, we have radio button. Radio button represents one choice in a set of options. And next, we have a drop-down list. It can display the current selection. When the user clicks the arrow, a list of the available choice displays. Then we have a checkbox. Checkbox is used to select one of them. And last, menu bar. Menu bar at the top of the screen display the main menu option. Okay, next slide I will explain about input technology. We choose two. The first is fingerprint scanner and keyboard. For fingerprint scanner, a fingerprint scanner is an electronic security system that uses biometric authentication to allow users to approve entries using their fingerprints. It is an input technology because it is most commonly used to insert a person's fingerprint into a computer. Next, keyboard. Keyboard is a set of keys that allows a user to input data and commands into a computer. All computer keyboards have a typing area that includes the letters of alphabet, numbers, function marks, and other basic keys. Hence it is called input technology. Okay, next slide, validation check for process fingerprint. This is our interface for login. In validation check, we have pattern matching validation. Its purpose is to guarantee that the data entered matches to the exact format specification, such as the user validation. The email address is verified using a pattern match check. For example, the local component of ABCD alias example.com is ABCD and the domain name is example.com. For next validation check, we have numeric validation. Numeric validation tests are used to determine whether or not the password entered fulfills the requirements. As a result, the data entered must be correct. Typically, a password must include lowercase and capital, uppercase letters, as well as a number, and must be at least 8 characters long. In password of 7 to 16 characters, only letters, arithmetic numbers, and underscore are permitted, and the first character must be a letter.
Next is three suitable input marks and validation rules to reduce error. First of all, validity check. These rules may check and reduce error when it's operate because data items that require the input of certain information from the user. Secondly is data type check. This rule is used to make sure the data item is using correct data. For example, when user key in PIN number, if fingerprint reader cannot use this rule, we'll check. Secondly is data type check. This rule is used to make sure the data item is using correct data type. For example, when user key in PIN number, if fingerprint reader cannot use, This rule will check if the input is correct or not by using correct numerical or alphabetical. Thirdly is existence check. Existence check is very good to avoid error. For example, this function can block employees from other departments to enter and access the department by displaying employee data is not available to enter the department.
Okay, I can present about the user system manual. Ada tiga iaitu pertama a brief introduction for the system, dua place method and three fingerprint verification. Okay, for the a brief introduction for the system, the fingerprint system includes the fingerprint time, attendance terminal, and fingerprint time attendance control software program. The terminal is particularly responsible of the register of the employee fingerprint, and every day take a look at on work attendance, and the software program is particularly to examine the work attendance record of the terminal to technique the record following the attendance policy set to the admin and to generate numbers from the record document form. Okay, for the second place middle, okay, kat sini first finger placement iaitu cara betul untuk nak fingerprint. So jari tu kena letak rapat dengan fingerprint terminal. So tak boleh sengit apa lah. So ni kalau fingerprint yang salah iaitu letak sengit, terlalu bawah, terlalu ke tepi dan tak rapat dia punya pusat tu. Okay, third ni pasal fingerprint verification. So kalau fingerprint tu berjaya dia akan naik right. Kalau fingerprint tu tak berjaya dia akan naik pangkah. Dia akan ada cubaan selama 2 kali. Kalau tak dia akan masuk ke main page balik. Okay, ni cara nak key in fingerprint tu lah dalam sistem. Mula-mula masuk ke ID, tu press OK. Lepas tu kita kena pilih fingerprint dan kita kena key in lah, kita kena print kita punya jari dekat fingerprint terminal tu sampai berjaya. So dia akan access available verification ni success lah. Okay, kalau kita punya fingerprint tu tak berjaya, kita boleh masuk melalui menggunakan password. Cara yang sama iaitu masuk ke ID. Lepas tu kita kena pilih password and kita masuklah password yang kita dah register untuk fingerprint lah. Kalau tak berjaya lupa password, kita ada percubaan selama 2 kali. Kalau tak dia akan pergi kat main page balik. Okay, next I can pass to Syabil.
Unit testing. In this testing, we want to test using wrong fingerprint. We want to test wrong data input to make sure avoiding data collection errors. First of all, for input, we enter wrong fingerprint onto the reader, and our expected output is the reader cannot read the fingerprint and cannot record the data into database access record, and our actual output is same as our expected output, and our result is pass.
Okay, untuk integration testing ni, dia gabungan dua proses iaitu register access dengan access record. So dekat register access ni macam kita bubur key in ID semua lah. Yang access record ni kita nak fingerprint kita. Integration dia lebih kurang macam saya terangkan tadi. Tu input dia, key in register ID and fingerprint. Expected output dia, the correct fingerprint with allow access. Kalau incorrect fingerprint, we delete access. Kalau actual output dia, fingerprint correct, access permission granted, and dia punya result pass.
Our system changeover for this project is parallel operation. Parallel operation is a method of hardware or software migration that involves using both old and new systems at the same time until the implementation is complete and satisfactory. For example, when there is a new update, the fingerprint reader can learn to function in efficient way. And our suitable type of maintenance is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is a maintenance tasks are those that are carried out to correct and repair malfunction system and equipment. Benefit of using this maintenance is extend the fingerprint reader lifetime and corrective maintenance is less expensive.
In conclusion, we hope what we plan for the introduction of this index office system runs successfully and employees use it easily. We also provide a way to use fingerprint terminals in this project. Furthermore, we perform various forms of testing, including unit testing and integration testing, both of which were successful. Uh, that's all from us. Thank you for listening.